Hello and welcome to another video from the Inspiration College. Now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you can create and publish a blog on your A to Z SEO tool. I will also show you how you can optimize that blog so that you will be able to rank well in Google search. And also I'm going to show you how you can submit that blog to your search console so that Google will be able to index your blog quick enough, and you'll be on your way to ranking that blog. And obviously you'll be getting organic traffic if you just follow what I'm going to show you. And also you can sell your affiliate products. If you have Google AdSense on your A to Z tool, then hopefully people will be clicking on your ads and then you'll be earning money from Google AdSense. So without further ado, let us get into the video. So guys, this is what we are going to do. So what you're looking at now on the screen is my blog. And obviously you need to get the add-on, this blog section here, so that you can have your blog. So guys, after we finish, you're going to see your blog looking like this. So if I could just click into one of them. So for example, I click into this one. So here you can see the title of the blog, and you can see the date at which it was written. You can see the author, and then you can see the category that it is in. And you also need to create a category, which obviously I'm going to show you how to create your category. And then guys, as you can see, you have the blog here, the blog article here. It can be any length you want. And something I must point out, guys, when you're writing your blog, then you also need to do what you call on-page and off-page SEO. That's search engine optimization. So if you look here, you would see this internal link here, this hyperlink here. If you click on it, then it will either take you to a corresponding blog on your A to Z tool, or that would be now your on-page SEO, or it could take you to an article away or outside of your tool. So for instance, if I should click on this other hyperlink here, it would take me to an article of somebody else's website. So the reason why you want to do that is you want your article to be so optimized that it will rank in Google search. And when people search for your article or the title or keywords for your article, then your article will appear on page 1. You see, that's really what you want. And in doing that, that's when you'll be getting organic traffic. You'll be able to sell your affiliate products. You'll be able to get Google AdSense, people clicking on your link, just like this Google AdSense ads here. So that's really what you want to do. And also you'll be getting backlinks. You'll be building backlinks for your A to Z SEO tools. So if you don't know what backlinks are, you'd have to do some YouTube search to learn about backlinking. So it's very important. So guys, let us get into the A to Z tool and let me show you how to start creating your blog. So to start creating your blog, what you need to do, you need to go to the blog section here, and just remember again, you need to have this. And I did a video, and if you look to the right of the screen now, you can see that video popping up. You need to go and watch that video so you can see how you can install your blog feature. So if you click on this, just click on this, then what you want to do is to click on new post. And what I did, guys, I prepare my blog article off screen. So it depends on you. You can either start writing your blog here or your article here using this internal editor, or you can just do it on like a notepad and then you copy and paste. So that's what I'm going to do, because if I should be typing, it would take a long time. So I've already prepared the article, so I'm just going to copy and paste. But before you do that, you need to get your title for your post. So if I go to, let me just close this. So if I go to my blog, so this would be the blog here, guys, the article. I've already prepared this, and as you can see, I have the different subheadings and all of that. So that's how you want to construct your blog, with subheadings, so that it can be easy to read. Your users will be having an easy time reading your blog. So what I'm going to do is just to copy this title here, and then I'm just going to paste it here. So that's going to be my title. And then the post URL, this is going to just automatically fall into place, so I don't need to put this in. Then the description, and it says, and the meta description, no, this is what you would have appearing in Google search, the information here. So when you search, when somebody search for, you know, your keywords, and your article would come on, you know, the first page of Google, then they would see the just a little information here about your content. So I'm just going to use the same title up here, just say make money with your website in 2023. So if I could just type this. And it should be at least 150 characters long, so I'm just going to leave that there. I also have my featured image, so I'm just going to click on this, and we just allow it to open. So these images, guys, are what you would already have in your folder, and these images are used in my blogs, the blogs I have so far. So I need to upload a new image, so I'm just going to click on upload here. And it says add file, so you just need to add file so it can take you to the desktop. And I'm just going to look for the folder, and the image I'm looking for is how to make money. Let me just see if yeah, I need this one, so I'll just open this, and then you're just going to say start upload. And as you can see, guys, the file is uploaded, so you just return to the file list and it should appear, and as you can see, it appears here. So we just click on this, and so I know that the image, as you can see, the image here, the image is there. So the next thing you need to do, and the status, it's already, well, you normally have it the default as published because we're going to publish the blog, so you have it there. And then it says who can access this page, all users. And now the category, guys, you need to create categories. So I already have some categories, so I'm just going to use this one. I could actually create a new one, so I'm just going to create making money online as the new category. So that's another category, and as you can see, the date here. So also you need to have keywords, so you can have up to 3 keywords or even more, and then you have your comment to separate them. So I'm just going to put like make money. I probably could have another one. So I'm just going to have those 3 keywords, and then obviously it's going to be posted by the admin, and allow comments, you're going to have yes, and then all languages. Because I have all of these languages, I'm just going to use English only, because the languages, even if I should have one of these languages, still not going to convert. I did a video where I show you the different languages and how you would have to edit those languages yourself. So I'm just going to use English only. And so here everything else is filled out, guys. So what I need to do, I just need to start writing the blog, but already I told you we have it, so we're just going to copy all of this, so I'm just going to copy all of this, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste it here, paste. So when you paste, this is what you're going to see. So all you need to do is copy and paste again. Just right click on your mouse, paste, and then all of the information would be there. Then when you click OK, then the blog would appear here. So as you can see here, the blog appear here. Now guys, before you save this, what you want to do, like for me, remember you need to have your H1, H2, H3 headings, and that's how you actually optimize in your blog. So like for this first one, I'm going to give it like an H2 tag, H2 heading. So what I need to do is to click normal here, and then I need to give it like an H2 tag. So as you can see, that's it there. And then also need to, I'm just going to give all of these H2 tags. So you just need to, you can do H3, H4 depending on how you want your blog, how well you want it to be optimized. So I'm just going to use H2 for all of these. I normally use a lot of H2s and it still doesn't affect my ranking. Not necessarily the SEO tool here, but my official blog website, the passivemoveblog.com. You can just visit that website to check my blogs out. So I'm just going to give this H2. Then here's another one. I probably would give this one like customer testimonials. Probably would give it like an H3 heading. This one I would go back to H2. And guys, you always want to make sure that the first letter starting each word, that they are uppercase letters, as you can see here, M, M, W, Y, W, I. So just to really make your blog looking professional. And like this one, I probably give it an H2 tag. an H3 tag. So I would have two H3 tags. And then the conclusion, I would just put H2 again. And the other thing you want to do, guys, what you want to do, this size is a bit small. As you can see, it's not actually giving you any size. It's using the size of the SEO tool, which the size is very small. It's hard to read. So what I've done, increase the size of my blogs to 16. You could do 18 if you want, but I'm just going to use 16 for mine. So as you can see, that's big enough. And you might say, well, this is time consuming, but when you're doing just single blogs, then it's not really using up a whole lot of time. But if you should leave it like this and you have hundreds of blogs with this kind of font size where you have to increase the size, then that's when you really would be getting bored to do this, because it will take a long time. So it's best if you do, each time you write a blog, then you just increase the size right away. And because we can't use plugins on this site, because that would make it easy to just increase the site overall, so I'm just going to continue doing this. And then the article is not long, so it should not take a whole lot of time to change the size. And also you want to make sure that you don't have spelling errors and grammatical errors. You have free tools online which you can just run your article through to make sure that words are spelled correctly. So as you can see, the last section here. So we have finished with this, guys, but before we save it, remember I told you about creating hyperlinks inside your article, and also to do some on-page and off-page SEO. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find a word or a phrase which I can hyperlink to an article that I have. And when you're going to hyperlink and create your internal link, so that when someone click on it, it goes to another article on your site, you have to make sure that that article is similar. So I think I have one here that I created, and this is a link. This is another article I have on my website. So I'm just going to copy this as an internal link, and let's just copy, and let me look at it again. I need to make sure, I need to make sure I find a word which I can hyperlink with this link here. So this article is talking about SEO tips to ranking well in Google search engine. So this is perfect. So what I need to do, I just need to like scour through this and to see what I could actually hyperlink this article with. So I need to find a word or a phrase to do that. So probably look at something like, for example, for an SEO tool website, I probably could even use this, or I could look at something that has to do with SEO in this article, so that I can actually hyperlink it to that article. So I just quickly go through this and see if I can find anything I could actually link it with. I think I saw something. Let me just go back up top. I think I saw something up top here I could actually use. So I'm just going to, you may build your website at CreateServer. No, I need to have, so optimizing it for sales. So like if you want to make money with your website in 2023, optimizing it for sale is an essential part of site planning. So I could actually create a hyperlink here. And how you're going to do that, what I normally do, I would just like make this bold, and then when you're going to hyperlink, this is what you're going to use here, this link here, guys. So you just click on this, and you remember I already copied the link here, so I'm just going to right click and paste. And if I just go through this, yeah, so if you notice, the HTTPS has been removed because it's here already. So once you hyperlink this, guys, all you need to do is just to click on OK. And what you can actually do, it says link type, so you can just click on this here to drop down, and it says link to anchor text, so you link to anchor in the text. So you could actually just click that, and then you click OK, and as you can see, guys, the link is here. So once we save it, then when we click on it, it should take us to that article. So the next link you want, this is an internal link that you have created here. So when I click on this, it will take me to an article within my SEO tool website. So now I want to create I want to perform on off page SEO. So I'm going to use this website. So already I created this link. Well, I copied this link from a website. So I just copy, and it's talking about making money online. So what I want to do now, I want to find a phrase which is talking about making money online. Let me just see if I can find, and you can do a number of internal links and a number of external links. For the purpose of this video, I'm just using 2 links. But you can always do more. So it says to increase your chance to make money with your website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this one. I'm going to hyperlink this. Again, I'm going to make it bold. Then you would click here. Then you would paste the URL here. And then you can remove this. And then you can choose HTTPS. This here, and then let me see, target. No, just leave that. And then it says URL link to anchor text, anchor text. So what you need to do is now click OK. And so, guys, you have created a link. So when you click on this link, it will now take you to an article away from the A to Z SEO tool. So that's the off-page SEO. The off-page SEO that I'm telling you about. So that's basically how you can optimize your article for Google search. And what else can I actually do? And we have our image already. So you could, as I said before, you can create other links if you want to. You can make stuff bold if you want it to stand out. But this is basically how you would do it. And then what you actually need to do now, guys, you need to save it. So remember, this is your title. And the other thing I need to tell you, notice this is the title, Make Money with Your Website in 2023. So this is a keyword phrase. So what you want to do, guys, you want to create keyword phrases throughout your article because you want to be ranked for this keyword phrase. So if you look here, you would see me having the keyword phrase here, but how I did it in such a way that it will just seamlessly fit into the content. So if you read here, it says if you want to make money with your website in 2023, then continue reading this article. So you notice it makes sense. Even though it's the keyword phrase I'm trying to fit into the article, it makes sense. And if you continue to look through this article here, I have it again, make money with your website in 2023. So that's 2 keyword phrases I have already. And then you can see it's good for you to put the keyword phrase in your in one of your subheadings. So you can see it here, make money with your website in 2023. And if you continue to go through the article, you will see where I strategically place the keyword phrase throughout the article. But you should not overdo it because Google will think it's keyword stuffing and this article will not be ranked. So you have to just spread it out and don't overdo it. And here again, make money with your website in 2023. So guys, this is a keyword phrase and also the title. So we have done a little bit of search engine optimization on our blog, and it's now time for us to save it, guys. And before you save it, if you want to manually put the URL in, the post URL in, then what you could actually do, you would have this, make money with your website in 2023, and then you just space it with dash. So if I could write this out, so I'm going to use lowercase letters to do it. So it says make money. You know what, I'm just going to leave it and let the system automatically pick it up. So I would just save this. So I'm just going to click on save. And as you can see, guys, I'm going to search for it. So it's supposed to be, let me just see if I find it. Here it is. But if you notice, the category, making money online, and then the status is published. So let us go and look to see if we have it published here. So if I go back to this and I do a refresh, so let me just go to blog to make sure. So as you can see, here it is, guys. Make money with your website in 2023, November 13, and it's in this category, make money online, and it's by admin. And if you click on read more, just allow it to open. Just try this again. Let me see what is going on. Let me just go back. That's the blog. Let's read more. Oh, I think I know what's wrong because I didn't put. Let me show you what is happening, guys. So you have to make sure. Let us go back into, where is it? Edit. And it's because I did not put this. So what you need to do now, guys, you need to copy this part of it here. So that's copy, and you need to paste it here. And this portion of it, you need to write this out. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So it says make money with your website in 2023, and it's all lowercase. Let's make, you're going to put a dash, M-O-N-E-Y, then dash again, and then with, dash, dash, then dash, that's make money with your website, and then in dash 2023. So what you want to do is make sure that it's right. Make dash money dash with dash your website in 2023, and then you're going to save it. You could even put another stroke there. Then you're going to save it again, and it should work now. So you're just going to refresh this. Let's refresh. So when you click on this, yeah, so here you have it, guys. So please remember to do that. So if you look at it now, you can see that this is readable. It's quite big, and you can see the different headings, H2 headings. Here you have the hyperlink that we have done, internal link, and then if you continue down, you would see another one here, and then you have your conclusion. So if I should click on this, guys, let me just right click. If you right click, open, then as you can see, I shouldn't, where is it? I clicked the wrong one. Let me just close this and go back. Let me just click on it straight. So if you click on this, you would see it open. Oh, where is it? I'm not doing. Let me make sure it's right, because I want to make sure it's right. So if you click on this, does it take us to here? And then if I click on the other one, this one, let me check the link. It should take me to the other site. Let me just make sure that it's working properly. So what you would do is go and edit again, and then you would check the link. Let me check this first one. No, the link did not work. Let me just do it again, guys, quickly. So this one was the first one. Copy. That's optimizing, and then should do this here. So you should have a link to. That's link to URL. So I would paste it here, paste, and I just need to take that part of it off. So you have it HTTPS now. I'm just going to leave it at URL. What I actually did, I linked to Anchor and it's not working, so let me just leave it at URL. Okay, and then I'm just going to do the same thing for this one. So I just need to create it here again. Let me first copy the link for that one, which is this one. And then you create the link. Place it on URL, guys, and then you just paste it here. And remove this. And make sure it's HTTPS. Then you save it. Okay, then you save here again, and let us try to make sure it works now. So if we go back to here, this, and let me just refresh it. Yeah, so it's refreshed now. So if I click on this, it should take me to a page in the SEO, in my SEO. So here's it now, guys, it's working. So this is the internal linking. And if I go back, so when I click on this one, it should take me to another website. So if I click on this, it should take me to a new website. So as you can see, guys, it has taken me to someone else's website. So that's how you create external link. And you notice this article is similar, 22 easy ways to make money online in 2023. So that's how you create linkings for your website. Offline SEO, not offline, off-page SEO and on-page SEO. So guys, the next thing that we want to do, if we go back to here, So the next thing we want to do, guys, you see this URL, you want to take this, the URL of this website, and you want to go to Search Console. Remember I did a video talking about how you need to connect your A to Z SEO tool to Search Console. You can go and watch that video. So what I'm going to do now, I want Google to index this article quickly. Even if you don't submit this to Search Console, it will still be indexed, but it will take a long time. So what you can do is speed the process up by going to Google Search Console, which we are going to do now. So first I'm going to copy the link of this Make Money Online article. So I'm just going to copy this. And this is off screen. I'm only copying the URL of this article, and I'm going to go over to Search Console. So all you have to do is type Search Console in Google, and then you will come up across this page. So we're going to click on Start. And now we are in Search Console. So you need to make sure that your A to Z SEO tool is the one you want. As you can see here, mine is this one. So I'm going to click on this, or I can click on any one of these. You have like this one, I could click on that one, which is the same thing. So make sure you're on the right site, especially if you have more than one site. And what you need to do, guys, you need to go to URL inspection, and this is where you want to paste it. You want to paste it here. So when you paste it here, paste, what you need to do, you need to just click enter on your keyboard, computer keyboard. So enter. So here Google is retrieving the data. So here it says URL is not on Google, so this is why you need to index it, and for Google to crawl the page. So what you need to do now is request indexing from Google. So you're just going to click on request indexing, and it's testing the link to see if it can be indexed. So it says indexing is rejected. During live testing, indexing issue were detected with the URL. So I'm just going to see if I have anything wrong with the URL. Let me just go back to the page, which is this one. So I'm just going to click on this. Let it open. So I'm just going to copy again. Copy. And let me just go back over and try again. Request, let me just paste it here again. And then you click enter. And so you just request indexing. Let us see if it's going to reject it again. Seems like it will work this time. So it's working this time, guys. So as you can see, it says this might take a minute or two. So it's submitting now. And voila, guys, as you can see here, URL was added to a priority crawl queue. So that means Google is going to index this, and couple days time, guys, you can come back and try it again to see if it's indexed. And if it's indexed, Google is going to tell you that the page is indexed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you can close that. So if we go back to our tool, I'm going to choose another URL which is indexed already. So I'm going to choose like this one to show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to copy this, copy, and then we're going to go back to inspection tool. So I'm going to inspect this one to show you what you will see when you try to figure out if it's indexed. So you're going to click on enter. Yeah, guys, so this is what you would see. So when the page is indexed, you would see here green ticks. URL is on Google, page indexing. So that's how you know, and it's telling you that it's mobile usability. So that's how you know that the page is indexed, when you see these green ticks. So that's how you do it, guys. And once you do that, then your page will be indexed much quicker than if you just leave it alone and waiting for stuff to happen. So guys, listen, I didn't want this video to be long, but it's best for me to do it properly for you to see. And as you can see, I did some stuff wrong, but then I corrected it. So if you find yourself in that issue, then you know exactly how to do it. So guys, if you love this video, just give it a like, also share it, and also remember to leave a comment and also to subscribe. So thanks again for watching, and catch you in another video.